Hey guys, welcome to my August monthly cover video, and so today I am using the Tombow with the number 26 and writing August in block letters. Now I'm going to scatter dots in a half oval shape around the word August, and then for each individual letter I'm going to create multiple dots and then fade it out. I'm going to create some straight lines around the half oval shape to represent the sun rays. And here I'm just adding some more dots to fill up some of the empty space. Here's the completed look of my August monthly cover. And if you don't want to make as many dots, you can opt for doing block letters and then a dotted drop shadow. And for my daily entries, I have the swipe of yellow, the date, a sun icon, and then the day of the week in all caps.